ready with me while we talk about outfit repeating. Okay, genuinely, this video just came to me because I'm wearing the same outfit I wore yesterday. Okay, so what are our overall thoughts on repeating outfits? Like, especially, multiple days in a row. Because everyone has, like, a different opinion about it. Honestly, I don't think it's a big deal at all. I wore the same shirt 4 days in a row once. But I'm also a person who loves to buy new clothes and will literally buy, like, a new outfit for any occasion that I have the opportunity to. For example, like, every school dance, every, like, event that I go to, I'm like, I need a new dress. Oh my gosh. Also don't like making TikToks, like, in the same outfit, like, multiple days in a row, or, like, you know, very close to each other on my feed. Which obviously I'm literally doing right now. But I also don't think it's, like, that big of a deal, like, either way. Like, you know, obviously I'm not, like, freaking out about this. Okay, this is also kind of a related question, but, like, how often do you wash, like, your clothes? Obviously it's, like, different based on the article of clothing, where you've been, like, if you're really sweaty or something, and, like, that kind of thing. Okay, my hair is actually an insane mess. I straightened it yesterday, and I slept on it, and I didn't, wash it, and it's still, like, horrendous now. Okay, I'm also running really late, but I just thought this was, like, an interesting thing to bring to TikTok. Also, like, you know the TikTok sound that's like, oh my gosh, like, you're an outfit repeater, and they're like, well, maybe I'm an outfit repeater, but you're an outfit rememberer, and that's, like, even more pathetic. Or, like, something like that. That's probably not, like, the exact words. But, you know, like, we all have, like, our favorite shirt, our favorite sweatshirt, our favorite sweatpants, like, whatever. I feel like it's not weird to just, like, wear that more often than your other clothes. Okay, anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much. Comment your thoughts, because now I'm really curious.